Across India, the NEET-UG 2026 examination was cancelled amid serious allegations of a question paper leak. The controversy triggered concern among nearly lakhs of students, and protests were also reported across the nation following the cancellation and alleged irregularities in the examination process. Amid this situation, former Visvesvaraya Technological University Vice Chancellor, former KSET Chairman and former Board of Governors Chairman of NITK Suratkal, Dr. K. Balaveera Reddy addressed a press conference in Bengaluru on the proposed One Nation, One Entrance test along with Smart Insta Test AI, focusing on reforms in India's examination system. He said India's higher education system is overloaded with multiple entrance examinations at national, state, university and private levels. Students appear for exams such as NEET-UG, JEE Mains and Advanced, CUET, NETA and CLAT. State level exams including KCET, COMEDK, EAMCET variants, KEAM, WBJEE, GUJCET, MHTCET and OJEE further increase the burden, forcing students to take around 5 to 15 entrance exams annually. He said this leads to heavy financial stress due to multiple fees, travel accommodation and coaching costs, along with psychological pressure, exam fatigue and widening inequality between urban and rural students. He also raised concerns over examination integrity, citing reported paper leaks and irregularities in competitive and recruitment examinations. He noted that NEET-UG 2024 saw major controversy over paper leak allegations, score anomalies and grace marks issues. Meanwhile, NEET-UG 2026 was conducted on May 3rd and later cancelled on May 12th following suspected paper leak reports and a CBI probe. So, he proposed One Nation, One Entrance test to reduce duplication, cost and stress while improving fairness and transparency in admissions. The SITAI framework includes AI-based question generation, centralized computer-based testing, encrypted servers, biometric verification, real-time cloud delivery, watermarking, audit tracking, behavioral AI monitoring, and secure one-time exam access. He also includes hybrid and online testing with CCTV monitored centers, auto-submission, instant scoring, performance analytics, and adaptive testing aligned with Bloom's taxonomy to access higher order skills like analysis, evaluation, application, and problem solving instead of rote learning. Artificial intelligence would assist in question design, difficulty balancing, and evaluation, while human oversight remains essential. The aim is to improve transparency, reduce burden, and ensure equal opportunity for rural and urban students. However, challenges include digital infrastructure gaps, cybersecurity risks, language diversity, policy coordination, data privacy concerns, and integration of private institutions, though he said these can be managed with proper planning. In conclusion, the One Nation, One Entrance test with SITAI is presented as a reform to create a secure, transparent, efficient, and technology-driven admission system focused on aptitude and real-world skills rather than rote memorization. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital. Sir, can you tell us about the main intention of this press conference today?
Because students are writing not only at national level, at state level also. There are so many entrance examinations in the country. Sometimes the students have to write more than about 5 to 15 examinations one student has to write. Not only payment of the application fee, etc., entrance test, but going to the different places, cost of that one, financial burden, etc. For the students and parents, it is much more that one. Therefore, not only that, leakage of the question paper. Every state there is leakage. National level there is leakage, etc. How to prevent this leakage? It is possible today with the technology available, that one. That is the reason why I have come today to give how to prevent the leakage, and there must be only one instead of multiple entrance tests, there will be only one entrance test throughout the country, and that results, merit list idiyalla, that results can be given to the ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟೀಸು, ಬೇರೆ ಆಟೋನಮಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅವರು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್? ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ದೇ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮನಿ, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ? That is the reason.
Sir, in the press conference, you have come up with proposal which is one nation and one entrance test. Can you tell us about this? Can you explain what is the main intention?
That means only one test can be conducted at the national level. Okay? For all the examination, maybe engineering, medical, agriculture, law, etc. The domain knowledge will be separate, and reasoning, etc., that will be aptitude, that will be another one. Therefore, like that. And national level nalli test conduct ಮಾಡಿ that results will be given to the stakeholders. That is what.
Sir, so have you given your proposal to the central government officials?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I have not yet given. I am going to send my note to them.
Sir, as you can see today's NEET paper leak, it has become the major controversy today.
Yes.
On May 3rd, the NEET exam was conducted.
Yes.
Within 10 days, the government cancelled it due to the leakage. And do you think it's a national security? There is a breach in national security?
Not only breach in national security, maybe few thousands of students they might have benefited, but see the lakhs of students they have to suffer. One more month they have to study, etc. Is it not? After seeing all these things, I thought how to avoid this one. With my experience of 60 plus year in higher education, 60 plus years now, Diamond Jubilee I have completed in higher education after joining in the institution at NIT Suratkal. I came out with this solution. I am suggesting to the governments.